Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am so excited. We are releasing a brand new stamp set today, illustrated by Meg Breiter. This adorable gnome stamp set. This is Meg's Gnomes Summer Splash. So she's going to come out with more gnomes for us. But we are kicking off with a summer themed release. We have a coordinating outline die that you're going to use to cut out all three of your gnomes. And what's awesome about this die and these gnomes by Meg, they are all going to fit in this die. So future gnomes are all going to fit inside this die. And it's amazing how she illustrates these gnomes in the same shape, but they look totally different. With your purchase of the die, you get a free coloring class taught by Meg herself and a free digital. So all the information is on the back of the die. There's a code that you'll put in to checkout to receive that for free. So thank you, Meg, for sharing that with all of us. For your die, you're going to leave a little white outline all the way around. So just get that all even. Tape it down and then run it through your machine. Now I have my cute little gnome ready to go. We're going to create a super cute card. But first, let's take a closer look at the stamp set. So we've got that cute fisherman gnome. He's hiding a fishing pole behind his back. He's caught a big fish there. And then we have a cute surfer dude. He's got a surfboard that you can decorate. There's these little stamps in here, like these cute little clusters of flowers you could stamp on the surfboard. We also have some bubbles, some palm trees, and some waves. There's also some little fishies up in the left-hand corner there. Now this is our beautiful mermaid gnome. Have fun with your colors when coloring her up. Think about making her hair purple or pink. Just have a lot of fun with it. So I had a lot of fun coloring in this fisherman gnome. Isn't he adorable? I loved coloring in his beard. So I'm going to use the Cozy Neutrals paper pad for my card today. And I just love the neutral colors in here. I thought it went well with our little fisherman. So let me play some music while I go ahead and assemble this card for you.
Hey there, crafty crew, got something brand new. Gnomes are making waves and they're waiting on you. Grab your inks and markers, let's dive right in. These summer gnomes are gonna make you grin. It's Meg's Gnomes Summer Splash. Fisherman, surfer, and a mermaid stash. Stamp 'em, color 'em, cut 'em out fast. Only at Not Too Shabby, coming out at last. The fisherman's chilling with his bobber and hat. The surfer's riding waves, can you top that? The mermaid gnome's got sparkle and sass. This summer set's a total blast. One die to cut them all, oh how neat. Perfect cutouts can't be beat. Stamp and smile, you're feeling bold. Let your summer stories unfold. It's Meg's Gnomes Summer Splash. Making magic with a gnomey stash. Craft your heart out, have a blast. Only at Not Too Shabby, better grab it fast. Sun, sand, stamps, oh what a day. Gnome, sweet gnome, the crafty way. Meg's Gnome Summer Splash. Get inky, stay cheeky, add these gnomes to your stash.
I'm going to do a little stamping down here with the tiny little fishies and bubbles, and then I'm going to have my sentiment. So I'm kind of making my own pattern paper here. I'm going to stamp off a little bit, and I'm just going to make this kind of like a random and then I'm going to add some bubbles. Okay, I think that looks good, and then we're we're going to do our sentiment. In our sentiment, we'll say gone fishing. Oops, I didn't press all the way. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to have to draw that in because I don't want to ruin it. I should have gone out my Misty. No, I know what I'll do. I'll stamp out gone fishing on some white and then put a little flag. So I'm just going to paste this on to cover that. There we go. Easy fix. I'm going to add some pumpkin spice enamel dots to bring in that orange color. So that completes today's card. I hope you enjoyed it. Head on over to the shop and grab your Meg's Gnomes stamp set. And don't forget, you get that free coloring class and free digital download with your purchase of the outline die. You'll be able to use that outline die with Meg's Gnomes digitals and her continuing releases. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.